Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, let's just go ahead and change the taskbar size. So by default, you can have a look at it is the default size of the taskbar, and you cannot change the size. You cannot make the taskbar large, or you cannot make the taskbar small. So we are going to bring changes to it. So to bring changes, you have to open the registry. Open start menu and search for registry editor and click open. Now you have to follow this path. Here you can see that basically under the current user, go to the software and go to the Microsoft. After that one, you have to open the current user. Scroll down. You can see that I'm in the Windows directory and in the current version. And finally, there is the Explorer directory. You can have just go ahead to the Explorer directory and advanced here. Now, once you are there, you have to simply create a new file by the name of taskbar si. I'm going to delete this, and again I'm going to create it again here. So right click and choose new and choose dword 32-bit value. Now rename it by taskbar si, taskbar esi. It means simply for taskbar size it will be stand, but you can name it whatever you want. Now right click on it and choose modify. Okay, 0 will be size. 0 is the size to make the taskbar small. So I'm going to put, so by default the number should be 0 and click OK. And now to apply the changes, open the task manager. So right click on the start menu and then choose task manager. I have already pinned it here, so for me there is no need. Just scroll down to the end, and from here you can see that here is the Windows Explorer. Right click on it and choose restart. Now you can see that the taskbar size is small, so you can do whatever with it. Now here is the small taskbar. Other than that, other stuff are totally fine, only the taskbar is very small. So we can see that it is the small size of the taskbar. Now if you want to if you want to change the taskbar size into the default Windows size, basically it will be medium size. You can just again modify and change the number to 1, from 0 to 1, and now click OK. And again do the same thing, restart the Windows Explorer, right click and then restart. And now you can see that this time it is the default uh, size of the taskbar. Now if you want a large taskbar size this way, this time you have to just go ahead, right click on it and choose modify and put 2 instead of 1 and click OK. Now again restart the Explorer, right click, restart, and now you can see that the size is definitely bigger, and it is very bigger as you can see here. So this is basically how you can change the size of the taskbar in Windows 11, but I'm not interested in the bigger size. I'm going to put basically the default one, which is okay, sorry, 1. And again I'm going to restart the Explorer to make the changes, and I am very good with the default Windows level size for the taskbar. So I hope you like this video. So do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel, hit the like button, also give me your thought on the comment section regarding to this video. So till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.